Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into a product that's all about protecting and enhancing your important documents. The Scotch Thermal Laminating Pouches 200. If you're looking to give your papers that extra layer of durability and professionalism, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. This 200-count package of Scotch Thermal Laminating Pouches is here to give your frequently used documents the protection they deserve. Achieving a clear, photo-safe finish, these pouches are perfect for anyone seeking to add that touch of professionalism. Whether you're a student or working in an office, these laminator pouches are a must-have. They're fantastic for creating marker-proof, tear-proof, and even spill-proof paper items. Imagine having your signs, flyers, schedules, certificates, and children's artwork beautifully preserved. Worried about keeping things clean? Well, worry no more. These laminator pouches can be easily disinfected with most household cleaners. And with letter-size pouches that fit items up to 8.9 in by 11.4 in, you're all set for your document protection needs. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of using these pouches. Like most laminators, they have an on-off button, which can be found either as a toggle switch on the back or a push button on the top. Depending on your machine and the pouch thickness, warm-up times can vary between 1 to 6 minutes. When the ready light illuminates, you're good to go. Just make sure your machine's feeding tray, if it has one, is extended in the ready position. Center your item inside the pouch, ensuring you leave a laminate margin on every side for the best results. And here's a tip. Get creative by stacking multiple layers of colorful paper, confetti, or lettering for an extra pop. To ensure smooth feeding, double-check that the pouch lines up with the opening. And remember to remove any objects that could obstruct your project as it comes out of the machine. Oh, and speaking of machine, your project will be hot when it exits, so be cautious. And there you have it, the Scotch Thermal Laminating Pouches 200. Your go-to solution for protecting, preserving, and enhancing your important documents. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Stay informed and make the right choices for products that matter to you. This is Product Critique, signing off.